Now you're about to find out how we increase conversions in our clients' online stores by hundreds of times in just a few simple steps and make your photos look as if they were taken in a professional studio. I wouldn't want to share this secret, but if you hit the like button and subscribe, I'll happily reveal it. So the first step is to have about 10 to 20 photos taken with your smartphone, preferably against a neutral background and with some extra source of light. From those, we'll pick a few that we can actually work with. If someone had told me before that you don't need to spend money on expensive studios to get photos on par with luxury brands, all while being at home, I wouldn't have believed it. Anyway, I'm going to use Adobe Firefly for this. We select this tool called Generative Fill and upload the best photos of our product. Next, we need to remove the background. We simply click select background and it disappears without a problem. Sometimes there might be some minor flaws, but we can fix them right away by either adding or removing anything unnecessary. So, my task now is to place our shoes onto a bright minimalist background similar to what luxury brands use. To do that, we need a precise prompt, and that's where ChatGPT comes in. By the way, all the prompts I'm using in this video can be found on my Telegram channel via the link in the description. We just copy the prompt. Let's see what results we get. We generate the backgrounds with our prompt. It might take a few tries because some generations are more successful than others. Here, for instance, is one that I really like, so I'll just click download. Now, in Photoshop we need to correct any unnatural defects produced by the neural network. For example, it might have added a completely new surface here, and maybe here too, or even a random gray stripe. And of course there's a black outline from our original photo. That's why it's important to choose a solid, high contrast background. Right now, using the lasso tool, I'll outline the defective area, then use Generative Fill to remove it. In my case, the prompt add background texture works because it's small and adjacent to the background, and we can remove any leftover bits using Content-Aware Fill. We'll also remove this new artifact with the lasso, but we might need a more advanced prompt. So I'll go back to GPT once again. Remember, all prompts can be found in the Telegram channel. Wow, now I really like our photo. It's turning into a truly sales-ready image. Next, I activate the brush tool, and with a small brush, I carefully erase the remaining black outline along the edges. Here, I might even recreate the shoe's texture with the brush. Just small strokes. Admit it, now the photo looks professional. And we can compare how we fixed the neural network's imperfections and the flawed background of the original photo. Now, our shoes are ready for online sales. Have you tried Adobe Firefly or any other AI tools for design yet? Let me know in the comments. And in the next video, I'll be talking about the evolution of design and what the future of design might look like. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. That's all for now. See you next time. Ciao! That's why it's important to choose a solid, high contrast background.